Survey after survey reveals that today's hiring managers are looking, in fact, begging for candidates who have a skill set that has become so vital and in demand. These skills are called soft skills, and at Penn Foster, we're here to help you get them with our online Career Readiness Bootcamp. Integrity, professionalism, teamwork, communication, decision-making. These are the types of skills you'll learn through our Career Readiness Bootcamp. Skills that will help you take the first step towards a new career with confidence and keep moving up along your current career path. Through a series of fun, interactive, and valuable lessons, you'll learn how to build professional character, sharpen communication skills, solve complex problems, and manage time efficiently. Learn on your own time, at your own pace, and at a low cost. Set yourself apart. Gain a competitive edge. Get noticed with Penn Foster's Career Readiness Bootcamp. Enroll today.